Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Pinterest account birth date on your PC with the latest update. Whether you entered the wrong date when signing up or just want to update your information, this quick guide will help you do it smoothly. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main menu. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, within Settings, find and select Account Management. This section is where you can update personal details like your birth date. Under the Account Management tab, you'll see the birth date option. Click directly on the date displayed, and a calendar or date selector will appear. Here, you can easily change your birth date to the correct one. Just select the new date that reflects your actual birthday. After you've updated your birth date, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located near the bottom or top of the page, and click it. This step is important because if you don't save, your changes won't be applied. Once saved, your Pinterest account will now show the updated birth date. It's a simple process, but it's crucial for ensuring your account details are accurate, especially if you use Pinterest for personalized content or age-specific features. And that's it. Changing your Pinterest birth date on a PC with the new update is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching.